official pa ukoma obibiara wo honi fie mizinize the fancy doll president for the Brothers and Sisters Association and pay the 26th of December Boxing Day. Yaka Boxing Day will be ready. We are ready. Shana the bomb more nada. But unboxing the Yeriko. Yerika baby to boxing. She be papa be for to boxing. Na rapper who come na fake show dofu. Neighbor na who the shoe. Na se achie no. Na se we safa no. To shoe for. She box mo rapper who come ko bon dome. Na for kitchen. It's no Boxing Day no. Na se change na nya nya de yere chaze. Say ebia na winya in your boxing from what tibiara no. As the chairs of some na yere kan to the bobos na ra na kakeche obi aze. Na move entertainment so komono of ambro no ndeda na nkomoni nyinara akaka ye de say yere ko ebo no wana akno ho another yere ko Rapperholic. Na something interesting happened ndeda Rapperholic no ase. Na one of the things that na yere shokwan de yebehu denka was a sakon for Rapperholic no ko aknu. Now so no why that akna kasa bese no ko Rapperholic na say a lot of interesting performances one more full stage obua Sarkodie was Rapperholic no was the brain no it was so much fun into no ye ko share highlights ni bi na yanko who is our Okoye or Rapperholic no as say artist na Zach artist by krom had way more FPA most ma artist be your show a be hu na artist in kind nyina ababete nature when you now wa full stage and some of them sometimes the performance no Ghana creatives no actually we use one agent power they are very good urban performance and there baby basa baby wo full stage when now can was stage no e super papa and no bepamu no say Rapperholic no I radio o my share is called Rapperholic concert no I say
Conference Center, Rapperholic. Still, let me catch up and say, let me we invite her. God reveals to redeem. And I'm in charge you're pumpire, God pumpire, and I'm in India. And you're Sarkodie for us. Let's party! all the pretty girls where you say right now, like, man, congratulations to Sarkodie, man. Even though you are here and you support Rapperholic, look at your
Okay, that is it for Rapperholic. Starts no way more feel pop. Now, if I imagine the way starts singing na waffle stage or no, that was the only big event in town. No. Joe Mettle is a Christmas with Joe Mettle, Ibrahim. Now, young question also highlighting because hey Charlie, also I see the power all white. May young question embrace here. Okay. Oh, so Tino, we can Mama, reason why also there is no Christmas for Ghana, especially in Canada. Matter events in the back to back, and in one night you can be here, you can be there, you can be over there. Baby, a pede will be a no matter. Any general baby, a Christopher Jordan, you know, they were supposed to do and say, baby, bodo, asa. This is now that I is in the same. It's events they be called Okrom Papa Panka, and the baby, every more shadow, Meze Amon. Kwaisey Pee is celebrated 25 years, and that or the Bosum Ebien, another Bassett enemy. That the home come abroad, the mom, you know, transfer home come for 25 years, Yame Awono, and industry for 25 years, Charlie, wonderful. And you know, on the best 25th of December, so 25, and that was a Jumezino about Dona. Young head the squad and so some sway. A corner event, I say, Ghana, Massa, we have the men, we have the monopoly entertainment, we do have the men. My young friends are called Kwaisey Pee events, no so I say. Kwaisey Pee at 25. Also, Enyen and squad, Charlie. Obia when you pull it, and the way I work supports one fellow artist, no, I felt papa, why are they? Yami is shown when you papa. Now, make out and day 26. The ample for jail leaves on concerts, no about what Santa Mampo. By over every. Or Mozanara Nakaka, ample for jail who no celebrating papa, and fair by a door, basa. Danka. Na ma move on or Nigeria who P Square never in Yadomono Peter Oba Ghana beam concerts no I say na obinyo robon komo ka sembi efa Ghana artist ho say na ma mutu cents I
if a Bonner boy or myself with David and the rest of them come here, they're gonna sell out. But want to see the same thing happen back home in Nigeria. Ghanaian artists coming to sell out. I want to see that. And the best way we're going to do, you guys, with your continuous support. Nigerians did it for us. Ghanaians do it for us. So enough of this whole back and forth. I saw a lot of going on online. I'm not happy, but it's fine. But I'm just going to say, like, you guys, if you want to compete, make it a healthy competition, all right? That will promote your culture, you promote your own music, your own sound. I want to see a Ghanaian artist coming to Nigeria and sell out a stadium or even a hotel. We haven't seen that, but Nigerians come here and they do that, you know. But I want to see that happen. So you guys continue pushing, continue supporting. Enough of this whole thing, madness going on. Just continue pushing, all right? Because Nigerians did it for us. Guys, continue pushing, continue supporting. Enough of this whole thing, madness going on. Just continue pushing, all right? Because Nigerians did it for us. Nobody will do it except you guys. This whole thing, madness going on. Just continue pushing, all right? Because Nigerians did it for us. Nobody will do it except we haven't seen that, but Nigerians come here and they do that, you know. But I want to see that happen. So you guys continue pushing, continue supporting. Enough of this whole thing, madness going on. Just continue pushing, all right? Because Nigerians did it for us. Nobody will do it except you guys. Ghana.
Okay, into no Peter, Ingen or Cabro for whom Minchechu, Mubunchi, Mukaka, Chema, or Shakwanda Obohu there, or ye Ghanaian artists who work on Nigeria, or sell out shows, Naze, or Honum. Now, on you there, Najo from Obaho, sell out, sure, okay. Because we scared I try you, one fagano here, you cry, did I be as the exhibition that the minion panny to me are resisting into the air bar. But I get there be one of the selling out soon. Only number 2, me agree, papa, don't they you pushing and home. Sisi am you can say SS for no, Samini, Sarkodie, Stoneboy, Shatawale, Massa. Sisi I will prove BBR or Ghana here, stadiums, no, there's nothing you haven't done. My ability say we don't work on Nigeria. No, I could sell out shows for Honor. So next year, agenda again, you're pushing and starts out of Ghana. One person from Nigeria, one could sell out shows over Honor. Me a shop out of support, one could say that Coco Crab, because Nigerians love our music. They do, Ankasa. Into no say it's wrong no she want to one kwa. Yes, today me fear be we are going into the Nigeria market next year. Now you sell out all the stadiums ankasa all Nigeria. And so no about that conversation no mutu center mo over honyen. In that year 26 the experience Black Star experience or Bado was it taste and culture, you know, tourism for na what she say. So no mazana na say ni baby akọ enufe for home man ma ka cho da apofo je live some concert so about do asante mampo me you ho emfiri mo me say the fancy door na bedroom yi ye rebeza agor yeah your games here baba ye ba ibo quizzes na zinara and that wo bedroom don't me you free how because baby anya ha ye new is bronya na ye new is bronya ni ye mama mo official person ko onko mama fiera Mrs. Owusu secretary Mammy, Yami show papa, fisher pa. After that, say net to come up, Homozin or Ahonzin or Hoss, my own show, ye, and my so I walk from Poma. I won't know you will be swinging in a ram, but when I ask papa and Yami shown that Waji, I'm not maybe so add to, but when I say, so no, I had no day on Sapeno, busy season or the fancy door, Yami Adoma, a person yes, you will hear.